Music theory is not the problem, but it's not the solution either. So if it's not the problem and it's not the solution, then what is the solution? Well, the solution is here. Can you hear? That's the solution. You can have all the information in the entire world. You can know every chord in the book. You can know everything about music theory that you could possibly know. You could be a musical genius per se on paper. But if you can't hear it, none of that matters. I know musicians to this day and even in the past. In fact, one of my teachers, before he taught me, could play circles around 99% of musicians. But he didn't know what he was playing. So he went to school, he went to college, learned all about music theory, and then after that he started teaching me. So then he was able to actually articulate what it was that he was actually playing. So him being understanding music theory, he was already a great musician, already phenomenal. But so that proves my point that it wasn't the problem or the solution, but it did help bring clarity. I will put it that way. So it's all about hearing. Music is a hearing art. Some people like to approach it like a science, but it's a hearing art. So let's break it down. So the first thing that you need to be able to hear is the melody line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. You have to be able to hear and sing your melody line. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. You need to be able to sing your bass notes as well. So, do, 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 do. And then once you can place and sing your bass notes and place and sing your melody notes, the chords will fall in between as long as you know your chords. So you have to learn your chords, but once you know the chords, it's a lot easier for them to fall in between. All right, so listen, learn how to sing your melody. Sing your melody and be able to find those notes, whatever that melody is, and then play the bass notes and be able to find the bass notes with your ear, and then play the chords in between. Now, if you're wondering, well, Trey, how do I learn the chords? I don't know the chords, and how do I do this? How do I put all of this together? Listen, if you want my system, all it is a $1 7-day trial. It's called Gospel Piano Made Simple. After the 7-day trial, it's only $10 a month. Click the link in my bio or my description or even the first comment of this video, and you can get it today.